Hi teachers, so in this short tutorial what we're going to show you next is a new feature within the Smart Notebook software called fill in the blanks. So if you notice here, I already have a Smart Notebook file open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on right here where it says the Smart Lab to access the Smart Lab activities. And the very first option you're going to notice is called fill in the blanks. And what you'll notice here is it's not one of those ones that says devices are required, which basically means kids could go to your smartboard and do this activity, or kids can still use a smartphone, an iPad, a Chromebook to do this activity. So you get the option to doing both. Okay, so I'm going to click on the fill in the blanks. Now you can type in your own paragraph here, or if you're like me, you have one copied and pasted ready to go. All I'm going to do is copy it and paste it. Now what you'll notice here is you get a certain amount of characters. So if you notice, I don't have enough. That's why this stuff right here is all in gray. Now if this is something that you really wanted to, you could definitely copy it like this, Control C, and I could paste it somewhere else within the body of text. So you could customize it, and you can move things around if you like. You could delete things. You can definitely make this your own. So maybe I'm going to delete all that. So now this is what's going to fit on this example. Now what we have to tell the computer is which words do we want to be fill in the blanks. So that's when we'll click on right here where it says define the blanks. I click right there, and now what is the purpose of your lesson? So for this example, I'm looking at emotions and what's provoking emotion in my reading. So words like huge, creatures, or not creatures, looming. And if you noticed, when I undid creatures, all I had to do is just click on it again, and it will remove that highlighted word, right? Bewildered, that's a great word. You know what I mean? I'm just going through and I'm just seeing which other words kind of cause that set of emotions to be provoked in my readers. When I'm done, you get up to 10. When you're done, so right now I'm using 6, and that's fine. You'll notice you get the next button that's highlighted. You could also choose when do you want to check the answers. When prompted, so when you're finished, instantly, or don't check it at all. So you could put that to your professional discretion. When you hit next, you're given 4 different options. So if you want a theme behind the activity, by all means, you have a few different themes to choose from. But if you like just that nice simple look of fill in the blank, you can definitely do that as well. And what you'll get is an activity that looks like this. And now, like I said, you have a couple of options. You could leave it the way it is, and you could have students come up to your smartboard and drag things into place, or you have that red smartphone looking button right here, and what you could do there is you could actually turn that into an activity for your students to create, so that if they do have smartphones, touch devices, they have iPads, Chromebooks, you name it, they can just go to this website address right here. They'll put in your classroom code. So this is my classroom code right here, and they'll be put in a holding space, and it's up to you if you want to collect names or not. But once they're in that holding space, when you're ready and you see all their names populated right here, you can hit start. And when you hit start, if you notice, that kind of goes away, and then everybody, all your students when they're sitting down with their devices, they can now do this exact same activity and fill it in, and you get all that feedback sent to you. And where you'll access it is right back in here again. You'll click on end the activity, you'll click on your students' names, and you'll see their feedback. Anyhow, if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. We'd be more than happy to help in any way we can. Thank you so much.